Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today, listen, we got some awesome analog watch faces by my man AS Watch. Now, we got to give thanks for Vince for the heads up on this one. And all these watch faces are nice. They're all analog. If you're going to be hitting the town or you just want to dress to impress, listen, these are going to be the watch faces you want to put on your wrist. So Vince, thank you once. Now, the name of the watch face is called Art Unique Design. My man really got down on this one. I like the creativity he put into this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, this is going to look super awesome. I like the colors. I like the look. I like how the analog hands lights up with this nice dark black background, and it really brings out the watch face in the AOD mode. I actually wish this was an actual watch face because it looks absolutely beautiful, especially in the AOD mode. Now, once the watch face is on, the guy got super creative with the design of this watch face. You got a portion of a watch face, and then you got the mesh design in the background, and I like the look of this one. Down at the bottom, you are going to get your steps in this window. You're going to be able to find your phone. You're going to get your battery percentage, your step information, your digital time, and your battery info. And if you look at the top, you will be able to go into your settings if you choose to, and also you can go into your calendar, which is pretty cool. Everybody needs a calendar, right? And if I tap right here, I can go in and find my phone. So listen, I thought the developer did an awesome job on this watch face. Definitely is unique. It's going to stand out. And just think, what can you tie this into? You got plenty of colors that you can blend this with. All right, you all, don't go anywhere. We got another watch face for you all. Watch face number 2 is called Elegant Classic, and this one is a beauty. My man lit this one up. I like the look. I like the design. In the AOD mode, you're going to have it in a black theme mode, which looks super elegant. Once the watch face is on, I'm loving the theme in the background. Really brings out this watch face. Definitely, it's a nice premium look. And I like the analog hands. They screen premium as well. You got a nice second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch with a red tip to add a little bit more luxury to the watch face. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage, and over to your right, you're going to get your date. So I thought this was a good look for an analog timepiece. Question is, at the end of the day, people, what do you think? Remember, all these watch faces should still be free in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you download ASAP. All right, we got one more watch face to check out, and here it is. Watch face number 3. Number 3 is called Urban Design Evo. I like this look. The only thing about this watch face before I get started is that I wish I could customize the color theme because I like the look. I love the design of this watch face. But all in all, if you got something in your closet that can tie into this, add this one to your lineup. All right, in the AOD mode, it's going to be darkened down. You're still going to get an analog theme look. It's going to look nice. Once the watch face is on, simplicity is the key. Now, what you're going to get in that window to your left is going to be your digital time, so you get the best of both worlds, and you're going to get your battery percentage. Over to the right, you are going to get your date, and the developer kept it simple. You get nice, fun-looking analog hands, and you get a nice, smooth second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch as well. It's not inactive. You do not have your step info or anything like that. Remember, if you're going out or you're dressing super casual, this is when you're going to put on this watch face. All right, you all, I hope you all enjoyed the top 3 analog watch faces of the day. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you all again at the next video. Make sure you guys go download like right now. And I'll see you all at the next one.